The square of a binomial. Our given here, we have the quantity of a plus b raised to the power of 2. There are 3 steps that we need to perform. Our first step is square the first term. Our first term here is a. You put here a and then just square this. You put here 2 as its exponent. Our second step, plus 2. Okay, we will put here plus, we have 2. So plus 2 times the product of the 2 terms. This means that we will multiply the 2 terms we have here, a, multiply that by b. And of course, do not forget, we have here a, and this is raised to the power of 2. For our third step, we have plus. So again, we will have here the plus sign. Square the last term. Our last term is b. And if you square this, you raise this to the power of 2. And do not forget, we also have here the plus. We have here the a squared plus 2ab. Therefore, our final answer now is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared.